This is a CSX Chief Menteur Pass Railroad swing bridge. Now, with two approach truss spans for rail traffic. This bridge was built in 1825, and it crosses the Chief Menteur Pass, and it's near New Orleans, Louisiana, in Chief Mentor. So this bridge is in service as well for train traffic. It swings aside, just like the highway bridge, US 90, and it swings back for, this one swings back for train traffic. So you look at the details and two approach truss spans, and this is a good one. So it's located near New Orleans, Louisiana, and it's also it carries CSX Railroad.